Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a very beautiful crochet flower. I am using a 4mm steel crochet hook and a 3-ply crystal yarn. First of all, wrap the yarn around finger like this to make a magic ring. Now with the help of crochet hook, pull the second yarn loop through first one like this. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and go into this ring of chain and draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. This is our double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into this magic ring, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. This is our third double crochet stitch, including first 3 chains. Now make double crochet 4 into the ring, then make double crochet 5. In this way we would make total of 16 double crochet stitches, including first 3 chains. I have made all stitches. Now pull this starting yarn end and into this third chain make a slip stitch. Our first round is completed. Now we would make second round. For the second round, make 3 chains, which will also be counted as a double crochet here. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Skip 1 double crochet stitch here. Go into the second stitch and make a double crochet into it. Again make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Skip 1 stitch, go into the next one, make a double crochet stitch into it. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Skip 1 double crochet stitch into the next one, make a double crochet. So make 3 chains and a double crochet by skipping 1 stitch till the end of this round. And we would have 8 double crochet stitches in the end. And in the last, we would make a slip stitch into the third chain. Here is our third chain, make a slip stitch into this third chain. And our second round is also completed. Pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now with the help of this tapestry needle, we would weave this yarn end. So for weaving this yarn end, pull the needle through backside stitches and first of all make a knot like this way. Our stitches would not get loose by making a knot. And now weave this yarn end in some stitches of backside like this. Weave the starting yarn end with the same method and cut the extra yarn strand. Now I am using other color. So first of all make a slip knot of this yarn and you can start from any double crochet stitch. So join this yarn in any of the double crochet stitch, and then make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. After making 4 chains, make a slip stitch, make a single crochet into the double crochet stitch next, then make chain 1 and chain 2, turn up your work, and now we would work in this chain 4 space. So in this chain 4 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4. After making 4 double crochet stitches, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and now on these front 2 loops of 4th double crochet stitch, make a single crochet like this. A chain picot is made. Now again into this chain 4 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and then double crochet 4. Now this part is made, and we would work on the side of this double crochet stitch. So start making double crochets, double crochet 1 on the side of this double crochet stitch, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5. So 5 double crochets are made on the side of this double crochet stitch, and now we would make a slip stitch into this next double crochet stitch in which we have made a single crochet already. We would get this shape. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After making 4 chains, make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Make chain 1 and then chain 2, turn up the work again to start working in this chain 4 space. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4. After making 4 double crochet stitches, make 3 chains again to make chain picot, and the 2 top loops of 4th double crochet stitch, make a single crochet in them. Now in this same chain 4 space, again make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and then double crochet 4. Now again we would work in this double crochet stitch. On the side of this double crochet stitch, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5. And now make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch in which we have made single crochet. So this is our pattern for petals. Repeat it till the end. Now in the end, here we would make 4 chains and a slip stitch would be made in the stitch from where we have started and joined this new color. So in this very first double crochet stitch, make a single crochet like this, then make 2 chains, turn up the work, and same pattern would be repeated as for first 2 petals. So Then 5 double crochet stitches would be made on this last double crochet stitch. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then double crochet, and then slip stitch into the same double crochet stitch, which is the starting double crochet stitch of this round. Now pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, and then remove the extra yarn strand. Give this yarn end with the help of needle. So I have even the yarn ends as well, and our beautiful crochet flower, which is very beginner friendly flower, is ready. You can use it on different baby heads, etc. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.